Today, I got the stunner shades on, and you know what that means. We're gonna build the 1J all the way back up. Well, we've already built it up, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But we're gonna put all the pulleys, the alternator, the, what the fuck is it? The power steering pump. Yeah, the power steering pump, the alternator, the front timing cover, the fucking exhaust manifold, the valve covers, and what else are we doing? Fuck, dude. One thing I did get, actually, before we dive into it, I got some more parts in. So this box has the exhaust manifold, the downpipe, and some other shit. Over here we have a clutch line kit for the 1J and the 240. This is the swap kit besides the drive shaft. The drive shaft has been shipped and it should be to us probably in about a week or two. These are our pulleys that we clear coated, and I'm not even sure if we needed to clear coat them at all, but whatever. And also in here we have the power steering brace. So yeah, and I don't know if I showed you this, but this is the oil feed and oil return line for the turbo. My turbo was supposed to get here tomorrow, but there's a weather delay, so I'm not sure if it's actually gonna get here or not. Just so you guys know, I'm rocking these stunner shades the entire video. So if at any point these glasses come off of my face while you're watching this video, call me out in the comments. Tell me I'm a fucking bitch. These won't have a torque spec, so we're just gonna tighten them down. They're 5 10mm bolts. And the next thing we'll put on is this tensioner. And then after that, we'll probably go ahead and slap on the harmonic balancer, or whatever the fuck you want to call it.
A little bit of trashy, a little bit of oil right there.
Yeah, we got a little bit of trash right there. You guys ever eat food before? That shit's fucking good, bro. Try it out. Stop eating fucking napkins and Tide Pods and get some food. Shit's real good.
Fucking bath salt.
I love it. You can tell. If you guys can spit that fire, don't let us know in the comments below.
Oh. Fucking yard style stabbing.
This is the power steering brace from Excessive Manufacturing, and not sure how it goes on quite yet, so let's figure that bitch out, boy. And I figured it out. So
ooh, that was
right
hard.
there. Oops.
Oops.
That's 18. She's 18, bro. That's not an 18. Get fucked.
So those are nice and tight. Now you want to get at your fucking power steering pump. Oh. It doesn't go like yet.
I can't see shit with these glasses. Like I said, I ain't taking them off.
Yeah, use a bitch.
Oh.
Oh.
God damn it, I can't see shit.
You just want to spin that son bitch like a rotary. Get your fingers in them tight holes, tight cracks.
Yeah, if you know something about putting fingers in tight holes, let us know in the comments below. We want to hear that shit. What's your techniques?
You got the Shaolin technique or the fucking Benghazi technique? What are you going with?
So, what are we gonna do now, you might ask? Well,
nothing.
What we're gonna do now is put this damn alternator on. You know why we're gonna put the alternator on? Me neither.
Alright, we're fucking live.
Damn it, no we're not.
Alright, we're fucking live.
It's live.
Alternator. There's no bolt in here.
What?
It's probably in that miscellaneous bag, bruh.
Or maybe the water pump?
How long is
There's no
it,
nut in
do you
here
think?
either?
Yeah, there's a nut. How long is the fucking bolt, do you think?
About as long as titties.
There's the starter bolts. Longest titties. Well,
Well, if not, this power steering pump bolt will work perfect.
power steering bolt.
Yeah, the one that goes over here.
You don't need it?
Not sure they use that one.
Hell yeah, let's use it, bro.
Oh! You're gonna want to look at this and ask yourself, how do I have 4 water pump bolts left?
Yeah, you're gonna want to count how many bolts you have, then take derivative and fucking pick the gayest one of them all.
My concern is, why do we have 4 fucking WP bolts?
Because we're whipping it.
Fuck, dude, that helps.
Alright, so we found out what the what those 4 bolts were used for.
Yes.
They're actually used on the 1JZ water pump. Brah.
Stop brawling me, brah.
Yep, that's it right there, boys. Alright, so we were able to find some nuts that match up to the water pump, or pulley, whatever the fuck. So we're gonna head down to Home Depot and try and match up these nuts.
Might want to clarify, we only found 2. God damn it.
Got her?
Well, it worked. Oh, I'm retarded. We also picked up these nuts, and these nuts are exactly the same as these other 2 nuts we got, so it's going to work out just fine.
Yep. PB Blaster is your friend. Yep.
That should do it. These are the turbo manifold studs. We got these bitches soaked in Coke and took all the bullshit off of it. And these things are now sitting in PB Blaster. They've actually been sitting in this PB Blaster for about fucking a week now.
Alright, so Joey's getting some, getting those rusty nuts off that were sitting in PB Blaster for like 2 days. So yeah, it looks like, or whatever, I think it was like a week. But yeah, this one's being stubborn and that one over there is being super stubborn. But they're getting there. What we got, dude?
Damn it. We got a cheap ass manifold we're trying to get on here.
Here we just took some stuff off the intake manifold. We're gonna be prepping that at my place. Get it ready for some, what, silver paint?
Yep.
Some silver paint. Yeah, Joey's gonna order a clutch. So that's gonna be it for this video. Yeah, see you next time.